All right, another great day promoting this LiveGood thing. All right, so if you're watching my video, you're probably interested in joining LiveGood. You want more information about the products, or you're already joined as a member or maybe an affiliate as well, and you're just stuck and you don't know how to promote this business to get signups and obviously make money and then save money. Since you're a member, you get all wholesale pricing. Okay, so thanks guys for your time. I joined about March of 2023. Right now, today, it's the end of April of 2025. So I got 2 years of experience in LiveGood, and I mean as an online affiliate too. I do not have a big list that I've cultivated over the 5, 10, 20 last years of my life. Okay, I'm not a guru. I'm not this self-help teacher that has just harvested all these people in a big following. So if I say join something, people do, and then another month I go to another opportunity and so on and so on. LiveGood is how it all started for me online. And it's just basic nutrition. That's what I wanted. I'm almost 60. I wanted energy. I wanted to get rid of any type of fat. I bought Super Reds and Super Greens, amino acid punch. I love the orgasmic mushroom coffee. And I'm going to show you how you can look at all our products, how you can become an affiliate, and how I've made this pretty darn easy to where I should have about 500 signups by the end of summer here of 2025, okay? So I'm pretty proud of that because, like I said, zero experience. I just am real good right now talking to my webcam and uploading it to either Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, okay? So what I did is I went and bought business cards at Vistaprint, $20 for a big old box, that'll take me years to give out. But in case you come up to me and talk about LiveGood, I just invite you to joincory.com. Why? Because it goes to a video that explains everything, products, pay plan, opportunity, affiliate versus member. It does everything for me. No one wants to talk to me. No one wants to text me. No one wants to cell phone and chat, or me coming to your living room. It's all video based now, and I think you know that, okay? So I bought joincory.com from GoDaddy. I bought these business cards here, from Vistaprint. And I recommend your business cards, please make them simple, because you can see that joincory.com, it just jumps off the card, doesn't it? Notice the rest of the card, it's not busy. I just put a silhouette of a little race car for fun, but I capitalized the J and the C so you can see joincory.com small. And that's it. I even left for cheapness. I don't put anything on the back in case I need to pick my teeth or put some notes about what groceries to buy. I rounded the corners. I think rounding the corners was like 25 cents. But like I said, guys, don't spend a lot of money on business cards. $20. They come in the mail with Vistaprint. But hey, Cory, what's that thing I saw on Facebook you're talking about? Oh, LiveGood? Here you go. Joincory.com. Well, Cory, tell me about it. I'm like, no, just watch the video. And if you're interested after you watch the video, then let's talk. Okay, because I don't do the recruiting and all the questions and, oh my God, this is not 1970, 1980, 1990. This is not Tupperware, Avon, Mary Kay, Herbalife, Nu Skin. Okay, this is not MLM like that. We sell badass products for wholesale if you have $9.95 a month to be a member. You want to be an affiliate and earn money by just being a cool dude recruiting or dudette? Then go ahead and pay $40 one time, guys. That's it. So right now, when you go to joincory.com, you're going to go to this page with this handsome devil in the blue shirt. All right. Watch this YouTube video. It is our CEO, Ben Glinsky. He talks about everything, soup to nuts, guys. Products, returns, where he's going, what he's done, what's an affiliate fee. He does everything in 5 minutes and 55 seconds. And if you want more information, put your name and email address here, and you'll get one email of information about LiveGood per day for 30 days. All right. LiveGood takes care of everything for me as far as an automated email opportunity. I mean, I love it because I hate emailing. I hate doing all that auto responding crap. But LiveGood does it for you for 30 days. And if you want to just say no thanks to LiveGood, just opt out of the email. You'll never hear from me or the email system again. But if you want to join, put your name, email, reserve my position. And then from there, all you do is just open up your LiveGood email, get your username, password, set up your debit or credit card. We even take cryptocurrency so you can buy our products or get paid every Thursday. All right, isn't that cool? Tomorrow's payday. Today's a Wednesday, so I get paid every week with LiveGood, which is kind of cool, isn't it? And then what I recommend you do, here's 3 things real quick. This is how I've been able to sign up well over 400 people. I invite everybody to the products page. So go to livegood.com and check out the products. hit the little white rectangle or the green button, and you can see how much the products are, what the ingredients are, how much wholesale versus retail is. In my experience, I became a member for $9.95 a month because it was saving me 40. So saving me 40 bucks times 12, that's a lot of money. So I became a member because I just wanted the products. I didn't give a rat's ass about being an affiliate. But my friend called me and said, why don't you just spend the 40 bucks? You're pretty good on a webcam. And that's what I did, guys. So right now I'm nearing almost 4,000 videos just talking about LiveGood every day. This is so easy for me to just share my screen, invite you to joincory.com, and I'm done. LiveGood does everything else. But please look at the products. And remember, you got 3 months, 90 days. Use any of these products. If you think they're boring and they suck, even if you use all the protein powder, just send back the little plastic container empty to Jupiter, Florida. Get your money back. Now, after you check out the products tab, go to the FAQ. There's a lot of questions. Just click any one of the lines. Boom. All right. You don't need to call me or the company. Just go ahead and do the FAQ. And if you do have questions, just go to support@livegood.com and you have access to our support team. Okay. After the FAQ and the products, go to the bottom of your cell phone or your, this is a home computer you're looking at right now. It's going to say affiliate pay plan or pay plan. If you have a smaller screen, it's just going to say pay plan. Click it and then read the 7 ways we get paid, but not by selling products. We commission the membership side. Remember, for $9.95 a month, we're a wholesale company for real. We don't mark up our products to make commissions there or profit. All right. So we're a membership-based website like Costco, like Netflix. Okay. Go to the bottom of the pay plan link and just watch this video. It's a pain in the ass to try to figure out 50% of level 1 and 5% of the 2%. You start sounding like Bernie Sanders here in America talking about stuff. All right. It's too complicated. Pay plans are always a pain in the ass. Ours is easy because you just go to the pay plan link, say hello to this pretty girl, and watch the YouTube video. And besides, at the end of the day, everything is figured out. Just remember, you pay $9.95 a month. You pay a one-time $40 fee. That's it to be an affiliate. Everything is figured out. And all you do is just go into My Earnings tab, right? Let's see, where's it at? Let me scroll up. Right where it says My Earnings, click it, and it's all broke down how you made money for the week. And then you get a one bonus every 30 days, where your whole downline, you get a little chunk of change. All right, pretty good. But anyway, just go to that pay plan link, read the 7 ways, go to the bottom and watch that YouTube video. Go to the FAQ section, go to the products tab, and that's it. I do the same thing almost every video, guys. I just invite people to joincory.com. If I send a friend an email, if I invite somebody just by word of mouth, if I give out a business card, if I go to Instagram or TikTok and just look into my phone going, guys, you know what? There's an opportunity. I know you're looking to make money on your cell phone. Check out joincory.com and let me know what you think. Thanks for your time. Gotta go. Loves and kisses, Cory. Joincory.com, Instagram. The less I do, the more successful I am. The only reason I do these 5 to 10 minute videos on YouTube are because in a month and a year, I'm going to have thousands of views. Just this video that I spent 10 minutes with you fine folks. And if I get one sign up and another one, and other people realize, don't overanalyze LiveGood. The products speak for themselves. Support@livegood.com. Shipping and handling, everything is handled by the company. All you got to worry about is, in my case, joincory.com. Get a link for $11 at GoDaddy. Forward it to your LiveGood capture page and let video do everything. No one wants to talk on the phone. No one wants to text. No one wants to do anything other than just sit and watch short little videos. So if you can just train your downline, teach your downline, beg your downline, don't overcomplicate LiveGood. Just invite people to watch the video and then go ahead and make a sandwich, please. Go get yourself a drink, make a hot chocolate, go make chicken noodle soup, or go outside and run 20 steps and then tell everyone you ran 10 miles like I do. So, all right, I'm going to shrink my screen. Joincory.com if you don't mind going there and checking it out. And if you join in my group, I'm going to go ahead and send you an email of everything I do. Okay, sometimes an email, you can just save it. It's a little easier to read an email. And I think in the first month, you're going to go, man, this is a lot easier than I thought. Okay, a lot of people on my downline, they have not made money ever in anything online or an affiliate company or an MLM. Okay, this is only $10 a month. This isn't heavy lifting. No one quits LiveGood. Everybody can afford $10 a month. And most people that come to LiveGood, they want the products. Okay, it's not a cash grab. This is like, hey, they want the products and they work. They're awesome. That's just my testimony. I always have to do a disclaimer. I can't guarantee income, but I love these products. They make me feel good. They're affordable because they're wholesale. Pretty darn cool opportunity, guys. So, all right, that's it. I'm done. joincory.com. Get a hold of me if you need something, though. Cory at CoryDraper.com. That's my email. You can always find me on Facebook, too. Inbox me there, okay? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You guys have a dang good day, okay? Thanks again for your time, guys. Take care. Bye.